Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this session we are going to discuss one of the most important issue and the dilemma with respect to Sri Lanka. Yes, Sri Lanka, the tiny island nation in the Indian Ocean region, which is famous for its tea, cricket and apparently hosting a game of geopolitical tug of war between the two giant nations, that is China and India. Now, imagine being at a dinner party where one guest loans you money but wants you to decide your life choices, and that is China. And another keeps reminding you that don't forget that I have always got your back, and that is India. Well, Sri Lanka is living that awkward scenario in a real time, and let me tell you, it is a way messier than spilling the tea. So today we are diving into how Chinese research vessels, Indian security concerns and Sri Lanka's own economic challenges are shaping a high stakes of game of diplomacy. So grab your popcorn, it is about to get interesting. So this video will be discussing the Sri Lanka's struggle to manage its relationship between the two powerful nations, that is China and India, and China and India while ensuring its economic and strategic stability. So first we'll try to understand the background, what is the context here. So Sri Lanka is caught between India and China due to its geographical location in the Indian Ocean region and its economic ties with both countries. Now, let me tell you that in December 2024, Sri Lanka's President Anura Kumar Dissanayake assured Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi that Sri Lanka would not allow activities on its territory that threaten India's security. तो अब इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गई? If you see here, key players are China, India and US, and the focus that Sri Lanka is right now facing, that balancing economic dependence on China as well as security concerns of India. Now, geographical importance, strategic location in Indo-Pacific region. Clear? That is the geographical importance of Sri Lanka. Now, if you see here, what are the commitments to India? As I have said, that President Anura Kumar Dissanayake assurance in December 2024 that no use of Sri Lankan territory detrimental, which can be detrimental to India's security. Also, he gave assurance, and this assurance he gave to our Prime Minister, that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So what are the actions taken? In 2024, moratorium, 1 year ban on foreign research vessels docking. तो जिसमें श्रीलंका ने 1 ईयर के लिए, याद रखिएगा, फॉरेन रिसर्च वेसल्स को बैन कर दिया है. अब अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं तो चाइना के जो रिसर्च वेसल्स हैं, जो बहुत सारे शिप्स आए भी पास्ट में, उन पर हम बात करेंगे. तो अब सबसे बड़ा जो सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है, दैट इज चाइनीज रिसर्च वेसल्स व्हिच इज कंसीडर्ड एज सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न. लाइक एग्जांपल्स हियर आर युआन वांग 5, शीयान 6. So as you can see the image of Yuan Wang 5, clear? Now, when we talk about Chinese research ships such as Yuan Wang 5 and Xi'an 6, these vessels have advanced these surveillance capabilities, which is a worrying for India. India fears that these ships could spy on its defense system and also monitor the missiles as well as satellite activities. Yes, that is true. Because these system has the capabilities, there is the dual use of platform that China can use these vessels to target the civilian as well as military things, and this will also advance the surveillance system to track the missiles of India. So अगर ये जो चाइना की रिसर्च वेसल्स हैं, इससे डायरेक्टली इंडिया के जो जितने भी आप देख सकते हैं मिसाइल लॉन्च पैड्स हैं, इन सभी पर डायरेक्ट टारगेट होगा चाइना का. फॉर एग्जांपल Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, another important, as you can see here, various centers are there. Then उसके बाद आप देखेंगे that अब्दुल कलाम आइलैंड जो है ना. तो इसी के साथ जो अभी रिसेंटली नया इसरो ने सेकंड लॉन्च पैड बनाया हुआ है तमिलनाडु में, वो भी. तो इससे जितने भी इंडिया के आप देख सकते हैं दैट मिसाइल लॉन्च पैड है वो सब टारगेट पर आ जाएंगे। तो जब हम whenever we talk about these things, that is actually important from the perspective of security concern, है ना, सिक्योरिटी फॉर इंडिया। अब यहां पर श्रीलंका का डायलेमा क्या है? सो इकोनॉमिक डिपेंडेंस ऑन चाइना। श्रीलंका का सबसे बड़ा जो डायलेमा है दैट इज इकोनॉमिक डिपेंडेंस ऑन चाइना। सो द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, बिकॉज चाइनीज इन्वेस्टमेंट इन श्रीलंका, it is around $4.5 billion Hambantota refinery Sinopec, and this also account 20% of external debt of 2022। तो श्रीलंका जो है काफी ज्यादा इकोनॉमिकली डिपेंडेंट है चाइना के ऊपर। सो डिपेंडेंस ऑन चाइना is very considered as dilemma for Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka, if you see, owes over 20% of its external debt to China as of 2022, and China has already invested heavily in Sri Lanka's infrastructure, like as I have said, $4.5 billion Hambantota this refinery project Sinopec, which gives China significant influence in Sri Lanka. Clear? तो इस सिनेरियो में अगर आप देखें, in this scenario, if Sri Lanka will deny China's docking request, it is difficult for Sri Lanka because Sri Lanka's economy rely on China. Clear? तो ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, डेप्ट डिप्लोमेसी। सो चाइना ऑल्सो डिलेज इन रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ श्रीलंका's debt and delayed IMF bailout package also। तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न है। क्लियर? तो अब इंडिया भी इसके ऊपर काफी ज्यादा कंसर्न है। कैसे? इंडिया इज कंसर्न अबाउट द चाइनीज एक्टिविटीज इन द रीजन, एंड टू काउंटर दिस India is pressurizing Sri Lanka to implement a year-long ban on foreign research vessel in 2024, and apart from this, provided financial aid and invested in the projects like India has also invested in Sri Lanka in the projects like West Container Terminal in Colombo, which is backed by United States of America. So इसीलिए याद रखिएगा चाइना जो है वो काफी ज्यादा एक्टिव है श्रीलंका में। एंड अभी मैंने आपको बताया IMF चैलेंज। नाउ क्रेडिटर कॉन्सेंसस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर डेब्ट सस्टेनेबिलिटी। तो अगर IMF पैसा, जब बेल आउट पैकेज की बात हुई थी, ऑलरेडी श्रीलंका हैज टेकन लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेब्ट फ्रॉम IMF एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस, दैट इज व्हाई अब वहां पर जरूरत थी क्रेडिटर कॉन्सेंसस की। सो चाइनाज रोल इन प्रोलॉन्गिंग इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस। तो चाइना और इंडिया दोनों की हेल्प की जरूरत थी किसको? श्रीलंका को। क्लियर? तो अब अगर हम बात करते हैं चाइना की, है ना, तो चाइना हमेशा से श्रीलंका को एक की पार्टनर के तौर पर देखता है, एंड चाइना ऑलवेज सीज श्रीलंका एज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट्स ब्रॉडर इंडो पैसिफिक एंड लुक साउथ स्ट्रेटजी। एंड ऑल्सो चाइना इज एक्सपेंडिंग इट्स इन्फ्लुएंस थ्रू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, investments and loans in Sri Lanka. That is why China delayed restructuring Sri Lanka's debt, which in turn delayed an IMF bailout package. Now, critics जो हैं यहां पर, critics see this as a part of China's debt trap diplomacy and keeping Sri Lanka's dependent on Beijing specially. तो ये काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चाइना के यहां पर ब्रॉडर गोल्स क्या है? If you see, look south policy. Now, look south policy, China is trying to secure influence in Indo-Pacific maritime routes, and Sri Lanka has strategic assets. Second important thing, infrastructure investment, because China is also following the debt trap diplomacy so that it can control the Indian Ocean island nation. So cementing position as dominant creditor. So China's position as the biggest creditor in Sri Lanka, and that is why China's leverage over Sri Lanka's policies also. तो चाइना भी क्या करता है? साइड बाय साइड श्रीलंका को प्रेशराइज करता है। क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ अब इन सभी चीजों में इंडिया का रोल क्या होना चाहिए? नाउ इंडियाज रोल, सपोर्टिव एक्शंस। इंडिया शुड टेक सपोर्टिव एक्शंस लाइक फाइनेंशियल एड, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल प्रोजेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाई that West Container Terminal in Colombo, which is backed by US. Another important thing, countermeasures. What India should take as countermeasures? India should build regional economic integration, है ना? For that, India should revive SAARC, and India can also take the initiatives to BIMSTEC. Apart from this, reassuring Colombo of Indian commitment. Yes, whatever India should commit, India should follow those commitment. क्योंकि इंडिया की एक हिस्ट्री रही है about delaying in the projects. क्लियर? तो ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं। क्लियर एवरीवन? तो ये इंडिया का रोल काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है यहां पर कि इंडिया को कैसे एक्शंस लेने चाहिए एंड श्रीलंका के लिए क्या सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं। श्रीलंका शुड स्ट्रेंथन इट्स सॉल्यूशन विद श्रीलंका शुड स्ट्रेंथन इट्स रिलेशंस विद इंडिया, लाइक Sri Lanka and India should collaborate on maritime research as well as regional security. Both the countries should build trust by keeping India assured of its security, okay, and diversify economic partnerships also. In this way, Sri Lanka can reduce its reliance on China by attracting the investments from other countries also. Now, Sri Lanka should attract other countries like कोरिया हो गई, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे कंट्रीज हैं जहां जिनको श्रीलंका को अट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए, जिससे चाइना पर जो उनकी रिलायंस है वो कम होगी. सो व्हाट आर दी स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑप्शंस फॉर श्रीलंका? इफ यू सी शॉर्ट टर्म, दे शुड स्ट्रेंथन टाइज विद इंडिया, है ना, दे शुड स्ट्रेंथन देयर बायलैटरल कोलैबोरेशन ऑन मैरीटाइम रिसर्च, then counterbalancing Chinese activities. Apart from this long-term initiatives, they can diversify their economic partnerships. They can engage with ASEAN countries and also they should engage with South Korea and other powers. In this way, they can reduce their dependence on Chinese investment. Apart from this, multilateral engagements, forums like Quad, Indo-Pacific initiatives, all these things, Sri Lanka should interact with these countries and they should promote maritime security and trade. So these are some important things with respect to India and Sri Lanka relations and also India and Sri Lanka ties. Clear? So when we talk about that Sri Lanka should establish clear maritime policies also, तो इसी के साथ ही साथ श्रीलंका को अपनी एक clear maritime policy भी लानी चाहिए. They should create the rules, that is standard operating procedures for foreign ships to ensure fairness and transparency. They should engage in multilateral platforms also, जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया है, like Quad and Indo-Pacific strategy. They should bring transparency. They should ensure equal treatment for all nations. Then only it will signals the fairness and commitment to sovereignty. Clear? So these are some very important things with respect to Sri Lanka's dilemma. Now apart from this, अब इसके अलावा और क्या-क्या चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती हैं? सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या है श्रीलंका के लिए? So the most important challenge is debt crisis, debt challenges. So if you see the current situation, so there are overwhelming debt obligations and China is the major creditor here. Clear? So basically Sri Lanka's debt is massive and restructuring it requires careful diplomacy with China, India and other creditors also. Apart from this, strategic balancing is also needed. Now, अब strategic balancing क्यों जरूरी है ना श्रीलंका के लिए? बिकॉज श्रीलंका मस्ट बैलेंस इकोनॉमिक रिलायंस ऑन चाइना एंड विद द नीड टू मेंटेन गुड रिलेशंस विद इंडिया आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम, which has support, because India has supported Sri Lanka during the time period of economic crisis, that is in 2020 and 2021. Clear? So ये सभी चीजें काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉरेन पॉलिसी एंड डिप्लोमेसी ऑफ श्रीलंका. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इन सभी चीजों के अलावा अगर हम बात करें तो श्रीलंका जो है पूरी तरीके से अभी डायलेमा में है कि फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट कैन बी द इंप्लीकेशंस फॉर सोवरेनिटी एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ श्रीलंका. Opportunities, Sri Lanka should balance competing influences and also strengthen the regional ties and economic independence. Apart from this, challenges, Sri Lanka has to navigate with great powers rivalry without losing the strategic autonomy, है ना. And Sri Lanka should also ensure actions align with promises to India. तो जो भी आपने promises किए हुए हैं, those promises should be fulfilled. क्लियर? बिकॉज इंडिया हमेशा से श्रीलंका का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्टनर रहा है. तो अभी जो आप करंट सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं, तो इन सभी चीजों से हमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है, क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है? व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टुडे, दैट श्रीलंका इज बेसिकली दैट फ्रेंड which is stuck between two overbearing influences, who and Sri Lanka is trying to keep both happy while managing their own messy financial situation. And China's throwing money around like a billionaire at a charity gala, but asking for VIP access in return. China VIP access के बारे में मांग रहा है. Meanwhile, India is like, hey, remember who is your real friend? Clear? So the moral of the story here is that diplomacy जो है ना, it is just like life. It is all about balance, smart choices, and knowing when to say no. Clear? So Sri Lanka might not be able to pick up these sides right now, but with the right strategies, economic diversification, multilateral ties, and maybe a little debt restructuring, it can chart its own course also. So stay tuned, because in the world of geopolitics, the plot twist never stops. So thank you so much. And for this video, please share if you like this video and subscribe our channel, that is Legacy IAS Academy. Thank you so much.